Spousal support duration for same-sex couples. Marriage versus relationship length. For same-sex couples in New York, the legal marriage date may tell only a fraction of the real story behind a long and committed relationship. Under New York Domestic Relations Law, Section 236, the length of marriage is measured from the date of marriage to the date the divorce action begins, forming the foundation for how long spousal maintenance may last. New York's advisory schedule ties maintenance duration to 3 tiers, where marriages under 15 years typically produce support lasting between 15 and 30% of the marriage length. Marriages spanning more than 15 but under 20 years may yield support lasting 30 to 40% of that length, while marriages exceeding 20 years can produce awards reaching up to 50% of their duration. Pre-marriage years are not automatically added to the statutory marriage length for purposes of calculating guideline duration, but New York law tells a more nuanced story than that simple rule suggests. Courts are expressly required to consider the existence and duration of a premarital joint household, meaning evidence of shared finances, combined expenses, and cohabitation may meaningfully influence the final award. Same-sex couples face a uniquely complicated version of this dispute because New York did not pass the Marriage Equality Act until 2011, and nationwide recognition did not arrive until the Supreme Court's Obergefell v. Hodges decision in 2015. Many couples spent decades building shared lives together, buying homes, raising children, and merging their finances, all while legally unable to marry. When those same couples married after 2011 and later divorced, their legal marriage may span only a handful of years despite a relationship that stretched 20 or more, creating a significant fairness gap in how maintenance duration is calculated. Courts weighing these disputes look beyond the wedding date and consider evidence such as registered domestic partnerships, co-signed loans, joint bank accounts, shared property, and career sacrifices made to support the household. A skilled attorney understands that winning these cases often depends on facts gathered from the pre-marriage years rather than the formula alone. Juan Luciano, a Bronx same-sex divorce lawyer, represents spouses in maintenance disputes involving couples who lived together long before marriage was legally available to them. This law firm helps clients build the financial and relationship history that courts need to make a fair and fully informed maintenance determination. If you believe your years together before marriage deserve to be heard, the attorney and legal team at Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer are ready to guide you through every step of this process. Contact Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer, Bronx, located at 187 East 163rd Street, Bronx, New York 10451, United States, and call 718-519-8336 to schedule your consultation today with a dedicated law firm that understands the full weight of your relationship story.